Do you live around here?
No, I'm visiting my friend Rob, but I'm just trying to get back into the car.
Okay. Did it say whether or not they were looking in windows to the cars in the alley or on the street, or did it have any other details?
Just looking at the vehicles with flashlights.
Copy. I did an FI a while back. 49 said that was possibly a drug house. I don't know if they're still dealing, but if it is, they deal out the back of the house.
Okay, I gotcha. You need me to call back and get additional?
Nah, that's okay. I'm almost there.
Okay.
Thank you, though.
On January the 13th, 2024, at approximately 12:21 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to a call about people looking into vehicles with a flashlight, potentially looking for one to break into.
Hi, there's some people outside breaking into cars. I'm not sure if this is the right line for it. Two people, they got a flashlight looking into a car. Looks like they're trying to break in.
Did they actually break into the window or just looking in?
They haven't broken in. Looks like they're looking in. I can't tell what's going on, really.
When an officer arrived on scene, she did, in fact, find a person attempting to break into a vehicle. He claimed the vehicle belonged to him.
Hey, guys, what are we doing? Getting in your car? Here, step away for a sec for me. You locked your keys out?
Yeah, I have my keys. I just locked the door. Hey, I'm actually ignition. I can start this ignition for you. Right here.
You got ID? Those don't start this car?
No, I had the ignition that had to be changed out because it got stolen.
That sucks.
Look,
Yeah, I don't have that anymore.
just scraped the shit off of it.
I was just helping you.
I get you.
Boom.
How long have you been trying to get in there?
About 20 minutes.
2-2.
I replaced the ignition.
Can you add tag King Charles 8560 to the front?
Michael
And his
Walters.
name is on it.
You can see the ignition's been replaced.
I see. What's your name, sir?
My name is David Williams.
You said David Williams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I get you. Do you live around here?
No, I'm visiting my friend Rob, but I'm just trying to get back into the car.
Okay. How long you been out here working on it?
20 minutes. Walter, Michael Walter. Michael Walter.
Yeah, who's that if you're David Williams?
My Uncle Walter. This is his
That's your
name.
Uncle Walter's car?
Yeah, it's in his name.
Where does he live at?
Oh.
You just see how it looks a little bit? We're getting calls that somebody's trying to break into somebody else's
Yeah,
car,
but I
right?
have the keys to the car.
I get you. Do you have your ID on you?
I don't.
You have the keys to the car, but you
Yep.
can't get in.
The ignition had to be, the car was stolen, so I had to buy a new ignition.
Okay, so it doesn't fit in the door.
These are brand new keys.
I see.
The ignition, you can see 2 ignitions in here. 2 ignitions.
Okay. Well, you've been
not
fiddling
stealing
with
the
it for
car,
20
boys.
minutes.
That's all. I'm just trying to get in the car. That's all.
Okay. Do you have your ID on you, though?
It's in there somewhere.
It's in there. David Williams is your name. What's
Yes,
your
ma'am.
birthday?
12.
Okay.
I'm valid.
I appreciate that. Just hang out here for a sec for me. I'm sorry you can't get in the car. 20 minutes is a long time to be working on it.
Okay, are you back here?
Yeah, I can't find him on here.
She's showing possible 50 in lead.
For what? For what?
One of them's for petty theft and criminal trespassing.
Okay, we'll just detain her real quick and then see if they're valid. I still can't find him, so I still have to ask him what his info is, see if I can get his social. Hey, hon, go ahead, stand up for me, okay?
What would I do?
So it looks like you have warrants right now. I just gotta verify them for you, okay? Drop that stuff for me.
Where do I have one at?
I don't know, he looked it up, it's for petty theft. Do you know anything about that?
No.
We're gonna double check them for you, okay? But right now it's just showing you might possibly have them. We'll get it figured out for you. Huh? Okay.
Short date?
Put your hands together like that for me. Thank you. Here, walk back with me. Okay.
I just got out of the hospital.
Hey, Luke. I still can't pull him up. Can you get his social real quick for me? I'll look at it.
Every time I try to help somebody.
Get to this side of the room. I know, dear. And listen, if they're not verified yet, we're gonna check them out, okay? But in the meantime, we're just gonna have you wait in the car. Go ahead, take the card for me. Not yet. I got it. You don't have anything on you. I'm just gonna pat you down real quick, okay? Before you I'm sorry, hon. I'm sorry. What happened to your leg, dear?
I have cellulitis.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it this one too?
Yes.
Okay. I'll be careful.
I took the hospital today.
Okay. Hang on. Let me make sure that these don't get tighter on you, and we'll check those out for you, okay? I'll take the haul on this. If this good. Do you have social, Luke? You sure? I can't find him.
As it turns out, his name is not David Williams. It's actually Matthew Banks. He lied about his identity because he had warrants in another city. Mr. Banks was placed under arrest and charged with falsification. Those charges were dismissed about 2 weeks later when he appeared in court.
Out of Hocking County, so we are out of pickup radius.
So I'm good to go.
Copy. There's no other petty theft warrants or anything like that. That's what I'm pulling up in minutes.
Well, that's a new one.
I see that it is pickup county of warrant or adjacent, and it's out of our radius.
Copy that. Thank you.
So I'm free to go.
Yep. Just let me check one more thing. That's what
Okay.
it's looking like. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I didn't even know I had that charge down there. Damn.
Well, now you do.
Yeah,
I
no, let's
suggest
call
that
Fox
you-
101.
I suggest that you take care of it.
Yes, ma'am.
now,
I definitely will.
Versus just getting picked up on it. You know, it's out of Logan County, so you can just.
No, Hocking County, honey.
Yeah, Hocking County, but it says your other one for petty theft said Logan.
Logan, Ohio. Yeah, city.
You're right. I know what you're talking about.
I was
You
born
from
and
down
raised
there?
there. Yeah, that's where I'm from.
Yeah.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
remember all that?
Yeah, now I do. I don't remember getting charged with all that, no.
Amy does have a warrant for her arrest, but it's in another county, which is outside of the pickup radius, meaning the other jurisdiction doesn't want to foot the bill associated with keeping her in our jail, then transporting her to the other county. So she gets released.
2801. Okay, I'm gonna come around and let you out. When I do, you just go home, okay?
Yes, ma'am, that's what I'm doing.
Alrighty. She's good. I'm gonna let her out. She lives in 2801, so she's gonna go.
Okay.
She's gonna go home.
Warrant's not good then?
No, out of pickup radius. They're good, but out of pickup.
radius.
So she's been told to go home though.
Okay.
All right, Amy. You said you're good to go home. Yes, ma'am. Oh, okay.
Oh, fuck.
I appreciate you wanting to help him out, but
Yeah.
this way I'm gonna take those off. Okay.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Tell me that what that's about, because I had no fucking idea.
Yeah, just when I do this, put your hands at your sides for me.
You probably do want to go ahead and give them a call and get this
Yeah.
sorted out though sometime.
Yes,
That's why.
what I was talking
That
about.
way, it's not a surprise for you later.
Yeah, for what's over.
There you go.
Thank you, guys.
You're welcome. Have a safe night, hon.
Thank you.
So he told us that he has one.
Go on home, Amy.
We have not figured it out.
Go home.
Yeah, he finally gave us his real name. He said he had warrants while he was lying. Don't know what's good and done yet.
Okay. All right. Falsification.
I wanted 4145. He had burnt tinfoil in his pocket.
Yeah, the dude that he said he was is 6'5", like 500 pounds.
Michael also had.
Yeah. No, that's not what it is.
That's grease regulation.
But
They
he lied
found-
to us about his name. I'm gonna write up falsification for him, and then it's Dublin PD that he has a warrant out of, but he also has one out of us, so he might just be put at jail on a detainer with Franklin County, or if Franklin doesn't want him, Dublin will definitely want him, and then we relay. Hey, hon.
I think they found some kind of paraphernalia on him. I don't know what they said. It
They
was.
said this. I'm gonna grab his stuff and throw it in a bag. If y'all want to transfer him either into my car or this car.
One of you guys.
If you're cool with that.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. I'm gonna get all his stuff and write out his thing.
Right out his
Falsification.
complaint. And then I need to do